65% of all internet traffic goes through Google Chrome. The same company that makes your browser also runs the world's largest advertising network. That's not a conspiracy theory. That's their business model, and your browsing history is part of it. Switching to any of these 7 browsers fixes that. All completely free, all genuinely private, and most of them take 5 minutes to install. Browser number 1, DuckDuckGo browser. Start here if you've never used a privacy browser before and you just want something that works without any configuration. DuckDuckGo's desktop browser has one job, and it does it extremely well. Block trackers, enforce HTTPS, and make privacy the default without you touching a single setting. It uses DuckDuckGo's search engine by default, which doesn't build a profile on you. It comes with a Fire button, one click that wipes all your browsing data, tabs, cookies, everything. Gone. Clean slate. What it doesn't do is hide your IP address or make you anonymous on the network level. Browser number 2, Firefox with hardened settings. Firefox is the browser most people overlook because it seems basic. Out of the box, it's decent but not great for privacy. What most people don't know is that Firefox has a setting called About::Config, an advanced configuration panel that lets you turn it into something completely different. With the right settings enabled, strict tracking protection, resist fingerprinting turned on, telemetry disabled, DNS over HTTPS configured, Firefox becomes one of the most private browsers available, and unlike the other browsers on this list, it gives you complete control over every privacy decision. The trade-off is that it requires work. You need to know which settings matter and which ones will break websites. The community has published hardening guides specifically for this. Search Firefox Hardening Guide 2026 and you'll find step-by-step walkthroughs. Firefox also has the widest extension ecosystem of any private browser. uBlock Origin, Privacy Badger, Bitwarden. Any extension you need exists for Firefox and is well maintained. For people who want granular control and are willing to spend an hour reading documentation, Hardened Firefox is one of the best privacy setups available. For everyone else, keep reading. Free. Available on everything. Browser number 3, LibreWolf. What if Firefox came pre-hardened with all the privacy settings already configured, telemetry already removed, and uBlock Origin already installed? That's LibreWolf. It's a Firefox fork maintained by a privacy-focused community. Every privacy configuration that you'd have to manually enable in standard Firefox is already on. All telemetry is gone. The update server is separate from Mozilla's, and it ships with uBlock Origin built in, which handles ad and tracker blocking at a level most people have never experienced. The browsing experience is almost identical to Firefox. Same extensions, same interface, same speed. The difference is what it's sending out and what it's collecting, which is nothing. The one thing worth knowing, LibreWolf updates slightly slower than Firefox because the fork has to catch up after each Firefox release. You're usually a few days behind on patches. For most people, that's not a meaningful risk. For people with high security requirements, it's worth knowing. LibreWolf is the answer to, I want Firefox's flexibility, but I don't want to configure anything. Install it, use it, forget about it. Free. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Browser number 4, Brave. Brave is the most practical privacy browser for switching from Chrome, and the numbers back that up. Independent privacy tests in 2026 consistently show Brave blocking 97% or more of trackers by default, the highest score among mainstream browsers. It's built on Chromium, which means every Chrome extension works, every website behaves correctly, and the performance is what you'd expect from a modern browser. No compatibility trade-offs. On top of the tracker blocking, Brave has built-in fingerprint randomization, HTTPS upgrades, script blocking controls, and a private window mode that routes traffic through the Tor network. No separate Tor download required. The honest criticism of Brave is the built-in crypto reward system and occasional promotional features that feel at odds with the privacy-first positioning. You can disable all of it, but new users sometimes feel like the browser is trying to sell them something. Fair point. Disable the Brave Rewards tab and the BAT token stuff in settings on day 1, and you won't see it again. What you're left with is the most private mainstream browser available. Speed of Chrome, privacy that Chrome will never offer, and zero configuration required. Free. Available on Windows, Mac, Linux, iOS, and Android. Browser number 5, Ungoogled Chromium. Brave is Google Chrome minus the tracking, with Brave's own additions layered on top. Ungoogled Chromium is Google Chrome minus the tracking and minus everything else that wasn't in the original open source Chromium project. Every Google service dependency is removed. Update checks, Google API integrations, safe browsing calls to Google servers, Chromium's reporting back to Google, all of it stripped out. What you're left with is a bare, clean Chromium browser with zero phone home behavior. This is for users who want the Chromium rendering engine and Chrome extension compatibility, but genuinely want nothing to do with Google. No Brave features on top, no crypto, no sync. Just a private browser that renders the web the way Chrome does, without involving Google in any of it. The trade-off is that extensions don't auto-update. You install them manually through a slightly different process because the Chrome Web Store requires a Google connection. The community maintains guides for this. It's not complicated, but it's an extra step. Free. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux via the official GitHub releases. Browser number 6. Mullvad Browser. This is where things get serious. Mullvad Browser was co-developed by Mullvad VPN and the Tor project, the same people who build Tor browser, but without the Tor network built in. The idea is that you pair it with a trustworthy VPN for network-level privacy, while the browser handles fingerprinting resistance at a level that matches Tor browser. The fingerprinting protection is the headline feature. Your browser leaks more information than most people realize. Screen resolution, installed fonts, GPU model, time zone, language settings, canvas rendering, all of these combine into a fingerprint that can identify you even without cookies. Mullvad Browser's approach is to make every user look identical to every other user. You become indistinguishable in a crowd. It ships with uBlock origin and NoScript pre-installed, and deliberately limits additional extensions because every extension you add makes your fingerprint slightly more unique. That constraint is intentional, and it's the right call for what this browser is trying to do. The usability trade-off is real. Some sites trigger more CAPTCHAs, certain features break, there's no cross-device sync, and it's currently English only. This is a dedicated privacy session browser, not a daily driver for everything. Pair it with a reputable VPN, and you're running a setup that defeats most commercial tracking technology available in 2026. Free. Available on Windows, Mac, and Linux. Browser number 7. Tor browser. Every browser on this list protects you from tracking. Tor browser is the only one that makes you genuinely anonymous on the network level. Traffic routes through 3 separate encrypted layers, each one handled by a different volunteer-operated relay around the world. By the time your request reaches its destination, the website sees the exit node's IP address, not yours. Not your ISPs, not your VPN providers. The exit nodes. And the exit node doesn't know who you are either. It's the gold standard for anonymity. Journalists use it. Activists in authoritarian countries use it. Whistleblowers use it. Organizations like the EFF recommend it specifically for situations where someone's safety depends on not being identified. The honest trade-off is speed and compatibility. Tor is slower. That's a fundamental property of routing through multiple relays. Some websites block Tor exit nodes. Certain media won't load. This is the browser for specific situations where anonymity is non-negotiable, not the browser for streaming Netflix. Tor browser also gives you access to .onion sites, the hidden service layer of the Tor network, which no other browser on this list can reach natively. Free, open source, available on Windows, Mac, Linux, and Android. Like the video if this was useful. Subscribe for more privacy and security content. Drop a comment below. Which browser are you switching to? See you in the next one.